Today I will start the introduction of the CAD CAM. Unit number 1, computer aided design. Okay. First of all, what is the content in the first unit? We can see that hardware requirement for the CAD, interactive input-output devices, then graphics software, what are the general requirement and ground rules, then 2D curve like lines, circle, etc. and their algorithm, and 2D and 3D transformation such as translation, scaling, rotation and mirror. These are the content of the first unit. Okay. In this tutorial, in this video, I will explain what is the hardware requirement for the CAD, interactive input-output devices, what are the graphics softwares available in the market, and general requirement and ground rules. Okay, these are the content we will learn today. First, objective hardware requirement. In this section, we have studied the hardware requirement for the CAD. Already know and discuss what is the meaning of CAD and CAM. Okay, CAD nothing but the computer aided design, and CAM nothing but the computer aided manufacturing. Already I am told you the story of the CAD CAM was accelerated in the earlier 1950. Almost of this year become one of the supreme technology available on the planet of the Earth. It being used in almost all fields of the engineering, but primary in mechanical engineering branches. The development is still going on. Okay, already we discussed some portion of the CAD CAM. Before going to start the session, I am revise what is the meaning of CAD. CAD technology nothing but computer design and computers. Computer technology means design technology plus computer. We are using the computer for the design technique. Whatever you are applying the design of any problem, we are implemented in the computer. It is called as design techniques. Design means, already I am told you that design means we are providing the solution for the any problem. And what step you are providing is called as design. First step you have taken the next time. The CAD process is the design process plus computers. CAD, we are taking the only word CAD. CAD means computer design is the process, is the design process plus computer. Whatever you are processing, applying, you are using the computer for this technology. Similarly, we are taking CAM. CAM is nothing but it is a manufacturing process. After the finalization of the component, we are finalize analysis. We are carried out in the CAD. After that, actually the manufacturing process is carried out with the help of CAM. Is the manufacturing process plus computers. We are using the computer for the manufacturing process, and both these are integrated or combined with each other. Then what the integration of the CAD and CAM leads to automation. This leads to CAD and CAM leads to automation. With the help of the software, with the help of computer, we can create all process plan with the help of CAD, and manufacturing plan with the help of CAM, and we leads to automation. These are the first basic steps in the CAD. Next, computer design is the sub process of the designing process. Okay, already I am told you that whatever we are applying the solution for that means we are taking one problem and we are providing the solution for that with the help of computer. Means we are taking one portion, it is called as CAD. In this CAD is consist of the design engineering. Whatever problem you are facing and you are trying to solve this problem, first of all design of engineering is taken into in this portion. When design is started, we are starting the design model, geometrical model, and with the help of the geometric model we can visualize with the help of computer graphics. And these three core components of the CAD we can make the computer-aided design. It is called as computer-aided design. After that, CAM. Already you have created one CAD model or CAD design. This CAD design implemented into CAM. With this the CAD, all in CAM, what happen? There are number of machines are connected with each other. It is called as networking. Networking means there are CNC machine, your NC machines. Number of machines are connected in the network with the help of CAM and then actually manufacturing. This portion is called as CAD, networking manufacturing. Okay, suppose you have decided to manufacturing one bicycle. Okay, it's simple. We are considering only one parameter. This is a physical component, and you have decided to manufacturing this component. Then what happen? With the help of CAD software, when you decided to manufacturing the bicycle by using CAD software, then first step is computer design is the use of computer or workstation to aid the creation. Means you can model this component or bicycle in the software like CATIA, Pro, Unicode, whatever software you are using. With this software, you can creation. We can create the model, number of model you can create, whatever dimension you are providing. Okay, this is called as creation. First step is what? First step is creation. After that, modification. Means you can take this model and you can make the whatever changes you want with the fraction of second. This is one of the best advantages in CAD. It is called as modification. After modification done, you can go for the analysis. Firstly I told that computer design nothing but we are providing the solution. Means we have to analyze it. Analysis means what? There are number of processes are carried out in each component. We have to calculate what processes are acted on this body and what are the analysis means. Analysis means already told you that analysis means we check the behavior of the any material. Check the behavior of the any material under the any force. There are some forces act on this body and we have to analyze the all parameter of the body with the help of software, which is called analysis. There are number of forces apply on this body and some reaction produced in the body. According to Newton's law, told that every action has reaction. Means we are applying the forces on the body. There is body produce the reaction. This reaction nothing but the analysis. When we applying the forces or pressure, then this body create the stresses. We have to find out how much stresses are produced in the body. It is called analysis. And last one, optimization. Optimization nothing but the whatever necessary material we have to add or unnecessary material is removed, because of we are considering the cost. Cost is one of the best parameter in the market. You have decided to achieve the market, then you have to concentrate on the optimize whatever unnecessary material or necessary component you have to add in the component. Or similarly, you can show this diagram. Optimization means what? At that force you can design number of iteration, number of design, number of parameter, number of materials you can consider and make the portion like that. It is called optimization. Computer-aided design is the use of computers to aid the creation, modification, analysis of the optimization of the design. Okay, this is the simple definition of the CAD. Already I am explaining everything, but overview I will given to you. Okay, next there are three major components of the CAD. First one, design, then analysis and visualization. Why we are using the CAD software? Because of one of the basic purpose of this any CAD model is visualization. Here you can see that where the maximum stresses are induced, where the minimum stresses are induced. It is called a visualization. We can see the any model, any visualization in the body. It is called a visualization. Design. Design means refer to geometrical modeling, that is 2D or 3D modeling, including drafting, part creation of the drawing with various views of the part, assembly of the part, etc. It is called a design. 1D, 2D, 3D, whatever you want. We are creating the 3D modeling. Second, analysis. Analysis already told you is referred to finite element analysis. In this syllabus, we are studying the unit number 4 in the finite element analysis. At that time, I will explain everything about the finite element analysis. It is analysis portion, optimization, and other numbering engineering analysis. Okay. Last one, visualization. Visualization refers to computer graphics, which includes rendering of the model, creation of the chart, counter plots, standard of model sizing, and animation. Visualization work, for example, we are seeing the visualization with the help of software. These are the three basic components of the any CAD model. It is called as design, analysis, and visualization. Design, you got the what is the design, you got the analysis, and you know the visualization of the any component. This component of the computer design, visualization, then analysis and design. We are taking the advantages of these three components in the computer design. Okay, then softwares. These are the, I am taking the screenshot from the Wikipedia. These are the major softwares available in the market for the CAD purpose. We are using Resolve CATIA, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, and Provigraph Engineering. These are softwares are familiar with. These are commercial software used in the market. Already you know that the Autodesk AutoCAD. Okay. Next portion, CAM, computer-aided manufacturing. Computer-aided manufacturing is the use of software to control the machining tool and related ones in manufacturing of the workpieces. Means after the CAD model, you have finalized the CAD model. What is the CAD model already and explained in this portion. You know the computer-aided design. After that, we have to decide the manufacturing the component. For the manufacturing component, you have to use the CNC machine that are controlled by the computer, and we are with the help of CAM, we are using the software to control the machine tool. We are providing proper sequence of the machining tool, which tool you have to use. When we have provided proper sequence, it is called as CAM, and the CAM is the next stage of the CAD. Part created in the CAD can be downloaded and manufactured without human hand touching the part. All operations are performed by the machines and controlled by the computer. We are providing the only NC code, means numerical code. We are providing the numerical code for the machines, and that numerical code is taken by the machine, and at that sequence they are performing the number of operations. Okay, this is a simple diagram. We can see that it is a model where we can see that it is a machine tool, and at that whatever you providing the sequence, they are providing the machining operation on that component. It is a primary purpose to create the faster production process and component, and tooling with more precise dimension and material consistency. Why we are using the these machines? Because of use only required amount of raw material with minimizing the wastage. Whatever waste in manual production, there are maximum wastage we are creating. To reduce this waste, we can minimize the waste with the help of this highly automatic machine, while simultaneously reducing the energy consumption. Okay, these are the main purpose of using the CAM. These are the softwares available in the market. We can use the CATIA, CATIA, Creo, Mastercam. These are the family of softwares available. Siemens. These are family of software available in the market. You can check number of software available in the market. These are the open source. There is no requirement of any license key, but for this purpose we require a license key. You can purchase from the market. You can see that here the CAD model. We can create this model created with the help of software with the help of CNC machine. Actually, this is CAD. This is CAD model. Okay, this model are manufactured by with the help of CNC machine. These are the we are providing number of sequence where we are to remove the material. With this material, we are producing this actual component. It is called as CAD. It is called as CAM. Okay. Last one, computer engineering. Means what? It is a part of the CAD where we can use the computer software to aid in engineering analysis. Whatever you are analysis the any component, we have to check the behavior of the any material with the help of this CAE software. Means include finite element analysis and computerized fluid dynamics called as CFD. These are softwares available in market. First one, ANSYS. Everyone know what is the purpose of ANSYS. In this ANSYS we can use the analysis. Then Altair. Already know the Hypermesh. Hypermesh is the product of the Altair. This is software used for the meshing purpose. Then Abacus. Then CATIA already know. Then LS-DYNA, Nastran. These are the solution creator softwares in SolidWorks. In this, our college have this SolidWorks license copies. These are the softwares available in market. You can take from the market. Okay.